Hello guys, this is ube turon recipe, my own version. 2 cups of glutinous rice. Cook the glutinous rice first. I made the lumpia wrapper. So ito guys ang ating ube makapuno na gagawin ko. Half lang ang ilalagay ko para hindi masyadong matamis. And mix. So yan guys, ube na siya. Put the ube, banana and cheese. So yan guys, then put some, and then like this. So ito na guys yung nabalot ko. So we fry it. Cook for golden brown. This is my yummy ube turon. Yummy yummy!